Hello all, welcome back to Excel Skill. Here I have the data set of the items and the units sold. Now I want to sort accordingly the units sold or the item's name. So for this I would be using the new function called sort by function. With the usage of this sort by function, I can sort the data as per the ascending order. In this way you can format the data and present to the management and to your stakeholders. So now give equals sort by, open the parenthesis, choose the data set, then give comma, then choose the which data that needs to be sorted out. So now I will be giving the items, then close the parenthesis and hit enter. You can see the data has been sorted accordingly, ascending order. In this way, you can present this data to your management and to your presentation. Same way, this will apply to the unit sold as well. Give equals sort by, open the parenthesis, choose the unit sold. First, you need to choose the data set, then give comma, then again choose the unit sold so that the data of which you are giving as a criteria, that will be sorted accordingly. So close the parenthesis and hit enter. So now your data has been sorted as per the units sold. You can see here the units are being increasing by row. In this way, you can present the data in a formal way, and this will be holds good in your presentation and to your management meetings. Do like, share and comment. Thank you for your subscription. Your subscription will be an added advantage to me to come up with many more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you and do subscribe.